Hi, this is Kavinaya from Yugamugi. A very beautiful tussar update today. Excellent collection. Just arrived from Loom. Beautiful block prints. Each one is very different and beautifully done. We are manufacturer of tussar silks, soft silk, kanjivarams and penkalamkari and raw silks. And all our sarees comes with the silk mark certificates assurance that it's a pure silk. Here we have tussar silks, which is pure tussar by tussar. We never mix Korean silk or Bengaluru silk with tussar. It's available in market in a cheaper price. These are pure tussar by tussar and very good quality. Very soft, lightweight, easy to carry, around only 400 to 450 grams per saree, and each saree comes with a beautiful zari border. The saree is a yellow base concept one with prints in a checked pattern done using cream color all over. The brighter shade yellow is given in the blouse piece with block prints, and the same brighter shade yellow is the blouse piece given. Very elegant one. To book the sarees, just take a screenshot and share us in the WhatsApp number which is provided in the description box. Each saree is 4,325 plus shipping. We do worldwide shipping with extra charges. A very elegant green saree here with prints in the doll horse pattern in the lower half on cream base, and we also have red both sides horizontal borders and beautiful cream border in both sides and thin border in red. And here we have a pallu which is red, a maroonish red color pallu with same body color blouse piece. The next saree is a maroon shade saree. Each saree is different and each one piece only available, so book earlier. Limited collection, and we have a very elegant maroon shade color saree, plain saree body, and the lower half we have the prints which is in cream base with maroon and blue used for the printing, and blue color pallu here with blouse piece in body color. And next is a black saree. The saree is complete black with top and bottom. We have horizontal printing design done using blue, black and maroon. The zari border is also in the maroon base. With the pallu that is in maroon and black, also cream is given with a black blouse piece. Very different sarees. The prints are exclusive ones. We have around 10,000 blocks. So each time we give new and exclusive collections. New in market. Very elegant turquoise green color saree here with top and bottom. We have cream base with mango design prints done using royal blue, and we have same turquoise blue color pallu and blouse piece. Pallu by default have the zari lines and zari borders in both ends. The blouse piece also have zari borders in all sarees. Most sarees have running concept blouse piece in this particular collection. This is royal blue saree with both sides half white base color and pink color mango design prints. Borders are also in the royal blue base with same royal blue blouse piece and pallu. Same design done in another color, rarely maroon saree with very elegant prints in both sides. Mango design printed in black here and same maroon blouse piece and pallu. Sarees are really fast moving, so book earlier. Here we have a beautiful royal blue saree with top and bottom we have horizontal printing design. Contrast borders in top portion. It's a green border, and we have multicolored pallu and a blue blouse piece. The border concept here is a Ganga Jamna pattern. Top is green border and the bottom is a blue border. And this is a beautiful print again. Blue saree, only the middle portion is blue. Top and bottom is completely cream with fully printed design. Black and red both used for the printing. The borders of the saree is in royal blue shade. Middle portion is Ananda blue and a very contrast pallu, maroon and royal blue given in the pallu, and we have the Ananda blue for the blouse piece. Very colorful one. Next is a very exclusive and awesome piece. yellow, mustard yellow color saree, almost golden tinge mustard yellow with lower half fully printed design. It's a very different fish pattern, small fishes done using blue and mustard again, and we have the borders in black. The saree's pallu here is again in black and the mustard yellow given for the blouse piece. Very different one. And next is a black saree. Top portion is fully black. Lower half we have cream base with deep brown and yellow and maroon used for the prints. Florals in the bottom. And we have black, maroon and cream in the pallu with black blouse piece. To book the saree, just take a screenshot and share us in the WhatsApp number and the link provided in the description box. Each saree costs around 4,325 plus shipping. We do worldwide shipping. A pink saree with the horizontal checks pattern. Horizontal and vertically we have a plus design, almost makes a checks design. A beautiful pallu in same concept, pink, and blouse piece also in running color. It's a little darker shade pink in the blouse piece and pallu. You see, little darker shade. Next saree is beautiful green. Very elegant green saree, fully in green with prints in cream color. Mildly printed design. Very mild and beautiful golden zari borders in both sides, and we have same green blouse piece and pallu. Next is another beautiful color, burgundy, deep chocolate brown color. Same way the half circle pattern, the rangoli design printed in the body using cream color and deep brown. Very different concept saree. The saree color is really elegant with same color pallu and blouse piece. And this is again another exclusive color, green, black and green mixed shade it is, deep mehendi green we can call. And the pallu of the saree is very different, purple and green with purple contrast blouse piece. And the saree here is in the deep mehendi grey shade, almost a dried mehendi color with half white color used for the print, and the lower half is completely half white with the contrast color prints. Excellent color, beautiful and rare one. All sarees are exclusive, colors as well as the prints are really good. So book yours soon. We are participating in an expo in Taj Krishna, Hyderabad, Banjara Hills, conducted by Sutra on 29, 30 and 31st of March. So people in Hyderabad, please utilize this opportunity and try to come and visit us. You can see all the sarees. We are going to bring all exclusive collections of Kanjivaram, Kanji soft silk, Tassa hand paints, pen kalamkaris and also some other stuffs. So please do visit and buy if you want to see directly and buy. All are very good stuff. All sarees comes with a silk mark certificate. It's a rare opportunity, so please do visit and buy the sarees. To book these sarees, just WhatsApp us. We do worldwide shipping and all these sarees are hand woven very elegantly by expert weavers. Thank you.